Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lean pork loin boneless chops. First, choose chops about 1 inch thick, pat them completely dry, and season generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite herbs. Letting them rest at room temperature for 15 minutes before cooking helps them cook more evenly. This crucial preparation step ensures tender, flavorful results every time. Now let's get that perfect golden crust. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, like cast iron, over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed, and let it shimmer. Carefully place the chops in the pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. This step locks in moisture and develops rich flavor. After searing, immediately transfer the skillet, with the chops, into a preheated oven. We will bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 8 minutes. Finishing in the oven ensures the chops cook through gently and evenly, preventing them from drying out. This method guarantees a tender interior while maintaining that beautiful seared crust. Remove the chops from the oven when their internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer them to a cutting board and loosely tent them with foil. It is crucial to let them rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and juicy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.